Assalamualaikum, marhaba, and hello to everyone. I hope you are fine and doing good. So today we are going to make mutton leg steam roast. So here I'm taking one leg piece, which is about 700 grams. Firstly, we have to give it some cuts. I'll show you. So now I've given some cuts here, as you can see. You have to give deep cuts like this, so it will get tender. Okay, now so we have to marinate it. Firstly, we are going to add here ginger garlic paste. It's about 2 tablespoons. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can add, just take 3 lemons and add here. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of olive spice powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of Tikka masala. Now we will add here 2 to 3 tablespoons of papaya paste here. Now mix it well, all the ingredients. Now we will add here our leg piece and marinate it. So now we have to marinate it for at least 4 to 5 hours. I've packed here. So our meat will get tender and soft and so juicy from inside. So now the marination time is complete. Now I will open it and we will start cooking it. So now I will take this piece and I will put this on the aluminium foil. We will add some remaining masala, spices over here, and a little amount of cooking oil as well. Now I will add it, all the spices here. Now we'll add some little amount of cooking oil. Little amount of oil. It can be any type of cooking oil you use in your daily routine. That's it. That will be enough. Now I will fold the sheet. Okay, now so after covering it from aluminium foil, I've also, as you can see, I've wrapped here by cling as well. Add some amount of water in your pressure cooker and place your stand in it. Now the lid, any type of lid. Now we will place our leg piece over here and start cooking on a medium flame. Firstly, we have to cook it on a high flame, then we will turn the flame in medium. Now after 2 hours, I am removing the lid of pressure cooker. It's done. I'm removing the cover. So now it's done here. I've opened it. As you can see, this is super tendered. You can see the texture of it. So now this is done. Serve it hot. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on the top of it with naan or chapati, whatever you like. Make this recipe in your home and share your experience in the comment section below. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.